If you are not able to afford any of the landing page services, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a landing page website for free. Go to the Breezy website and click on Breezy Cloud. Now click on Create New Page. Click here to change the name of the page. Now click on Edit to build the page. Click here to build the page. Click on Blocks and select a template. Modify, edit, or delete the text and images. Click here to add additional item to your page. Add text, button, icon or anything you want by selecting and dragging it to the page. When you are finished editing the page, click on Publish to save the changes. Now click on Back to Breezy. To make the page available on the Internet, click on the dots. Now click on Publish. Now you have the option to export the landing page as an HTML, sync it to your website, publish it on Breezy for free, or get your own custom domain. To create a free landing page, choose Subdomain. Create a free account. Add a subdomain name, and click on Submit.